Bafethu, hhayi, angikwazi ungayenza ividiyo bafethu ngikhuluma ngomakhelwane, angikwazi ungayenza ividiyo ngincoma umakhelwane. So bafethu, uma wukuthi ula nje le vidiyo ivela kuwena njengamanje, ile nhlobo engakwazi ukuncoma, le nhlobo engakwazi ukulalela umuntu encoma i-team angayisaphothi, ile nhlobo ethanda ukulawulana ngokuthi umuntu uphostani kwi-content yakhe, yonke leyo nto leyo. Ngicela uzenzele i-favour ukuze ungalingeki ukuthi ulokhu uzokhomenta uthi mina ngisapotha i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngicela uvele uzenzele i-favour, vele udlule, vele scroll-a nje, nginikeze ithuba kancane. Ya, sekusele nabantu-ke manje abafuna sikhulume ngebhola. Bafowethu, uthi ngincome nje few things. Angeke ngikhulume kakhulu because njengoba ngisho angiwaphosti kakhulu amavidiyo ngikhuluma ngamanye ama-team. Normally ngiphosta kakhulu nge-Kaizer because that's my content. But I just have a few things engifuna ukuzincoma ngegame yayizolo. Number one, ngifuna ukuncoma i-attendance bafethu ka-DM Lazi, Kingswell Stadium, 10,000 capacity, sold out affair. Yafika bafethu i-Golden Arrows, uPhuthu FC, lafika lahlangana nezimnyama ngenkani ezikaMagebhula, ezagebhula umhlaba kamasipala, zawushiya ubheke phezulu, ezakhuphuka zaya e-Afrika, zabuya nenkanyezi. Ngisanonyaka owodwa ngizelwe emhlabeni, kulungile konta lokho. Hayi bafethu, abafethu, okay, ibathe ngaphi bafethu abadlali iPirates? Ibabona kanjani? Hayi bafethu, ngeke mina iPirates ngeke. IPirates bethi ikulandela umdlali. Yabo nje kule season mina kusanobuso engisazama ukubujwayela ukuthi kodwa ubani lo? Kuthiwa ubani lo? Yabo. Lapha khona uSilepe, khona uSibelebele, kukhona uNamtanjela, kukhona uYanela Mbuthuma, kukhona uDansini, kukhona uSipho Mbule uyafika, ngikhuluma abantu abafikayo, kukhona baningi bo, hayi, yabo, and they are good. I don't want to lie to you, they are good. iPirates has got i-depth eyisimanga, ifikela phezu ko-Cash, ifikela ko-Talent Mbatha, amathalente awafani, ifikela phezu koBhodlela, ifikela koMbukazi, ifikela ko-president yama-2000. Hayi bafethu, hayi. So nje i-scouting bafethu engifuna ukusincoma sePirate, they've got amazing scouts lapha kwi-Pirates, and teams can learn a thing or two ukuthi you don't have to break ibhenki ukuze uyothenga umdlali. Yabo, le South Africa, one thing about South Africa, sine-talent, very talented nation in terms of ibhola. Ungaya noma ikweliphi ilokishi le South Africa uma uyofuna ukuyothenga umdlali, noma kweliphi ilokishi, ungaya eDaveyton, ungaya lamalokishi washo, lamalokishi lawa akuGoli, ungaya la eThekwini, ungaya emakhaya ke manje, uye emakhaya ufike ulanda umdlali, umthathe uyombeka ku-PSL, afike adlale. Even though-ke phela-ke sikhuluma lento ye-development, but sizama ukusho nje ukuthi e-South Africa si-talented, and iPirates iyakwazi lokho and iyakusebenzisa to their advantage. That's number 2. Number 3, ngicela ukuyincoma lento eyenziwa ama-team aseMzansi, yokuthi because we are a big team, angeke sihlale emumva, sikuhloniphe manje nasingafuni ukudlala, sikunikeze ama-point. Bafethu, i-Golden Arrows, hayi bafethu, hayi, abomoya lapha phezu eKingswell ayibuya usebenzile, ubuya usebenzile, ubuya uzwile, ngoba Golden Arrows is not going to sit back, they are going to play. Ukore igoli baphinde baqhubeke badlale. Yabo, even though yesterday their downfall bekuyiyona lonto leyo ukuthi they wanted to come at iPirates, but they were exposing themselves esikhathi esiningi. Yabo, and iPirates couldn't take advantage of lonto leyo when they had uMakgopa, because sometimes uMakgopa, I don't know man, he forgets ukuthi uyi-striker. Yabo, umfowethu ebengikhuluma naye sibukile ibhola, I said to him, does uMakgopa know ukuthi uyi-striker? Because in as much as ebadlalisa abanye abadlali, but we are expecting goals from you. We are expecting you to be our target man. We are expecting you ukuthi uhlale lapha sikudlalela amabhola. Yabo, I know ukuthi uyakhona ukudlala namanye abantu, but you are a striker. Just stay in your position, man. sizokudlalela thina. And awudingi kahle kahle kuPirates ukuthi ungaze uzophithizela kangaka, because iPirates has got ball players from emumva kuze kuyofika phambili. Ball players, wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola lapha kuPirates. Yabo nje izolo nje kade bekhipha uDion Hoto, everyone ke ubese groundini uyakwazi ukudlala. Sengisho ke ukunokhelana ibhola kamnandi. So uMakgopa nje is still gonna have a problem, because usefikile manje uButhuma and is clinical. Abona khonto kade ngiyikhuluma ngoSilva not so long ago. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi if you are a striker, you don't need to do a lot of things. Yabo amagoli ka Mbuthuma akwenziwanga into eziningi. Sometimes awudingi ukucisha more striker. You just need to bounce the ball ulingene nethini. Sometimes you just need ukuliphakamisa. Sometimes you just need ukuliphambanisa no goalkeeper. Awudingi into eziningi. So yanela Mbuthuma usazowabhenja i-strikers ePirates, angifuni uqamba amanga. Ncoma uManqoba Mnqithi. He's doing umsebenzi omuhle lapha ku-Golden Arrows. He's doing a very good job lapha ku-Golden Arrows. So all in all nje ngifuna ngiyancoma kahle kahle ukuthi we saw ibhola elihle kakhulu izolo, where ama team they were challenging each other, but umehluko kwaphenduka kwaba equality. But sengiyivala le video le, this is my question. Okay, othi ngiqale ngikhulume ngoDion. Abona le nto leya yokudlala kabuhlungu kanje abafethu ayifuneki. uDion was just bulldozing abantu, edlala ibhola with no intention ukuthi alithinte ibhola, udlala abantu nje, ulimazile ulentuzana manje uSihle Nduli, because he had just no intention of playing ibhola, ube busy ehlabana nabantu. Asikuyeke ke lokho. I-question yami nayi ke kubalandeli bePirates, nincamela muphi ucoach? Nincamela ucoach ozodlalisa abadlali abathandwa yini? Adlalisa abadlali abathandwa yinina kodwa aluze ama-result, because iPirates last season they were in the run with ilentuzana i-Sundowns, but bayidedela ama-game nje bagcina iPirates yagcina iSundowns ihamba. So nincamela muphi ucoach? Nincamela lo coach lo enizomlawula ukuthi afake bapha abadlali, noma nincamela ucoach ozokwenza intando yakhe kodwa abuye nama-result? Nayi question yami kunina. Yabo. I'm happy about i-president yama-2000. Sengicishe ngakhohlwa. I'm happy ukubona i-president yama-2000 ibuyele esikimini. But ke ake niphendule le question balandeli bePirates ukuthi nifuna muphi ucoach? Nifuna lo ozolawulwa yinina noma nifuna ucoach ozonilethela ama-result? Because lo uyawaletha ama-result, akanandaba, akalawulwa yinina, wenza into ayifunayo yena kodwa ubuya nama-result. Nifuna muphi ucoach?